Sparking joy with words. The art of rustling up enthusiasm. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing expression in the English language: rustle up enthusiasm. This phrase is not only colorful but also deeply rooted in evoking interest and excitement. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your everyday English to brighten conversations and inspire those around you. Rustle up enthusiasm combines two interesting words: rustle, which often refers to the sound of slight movement, like leaves in the wind, and enthusiasm, meaning intense interest or excitement. When put together, the phrase metaphorically suggests creating or stirring up excitement or interest in something, often quickly and effectively. It's about generating a positive energy that wasn't there before. This phrase shines in scenarios where motivation is needed. Imagine trying to encourage a team before a big project, convincing friends to try a new activity, or even motivating yourself to start a new hobby. Saying you're going to rustle up enthusiasm implies not just the intent to get excited but also the action you'll take to ensure that excitement comes to life. Examples: I'm going to rustle up some enthusiasm for our cleanup day. It's going to be fun, and will make a big difference. Let's rustle up enthusiasm for the new language we're learning by hosting a theme night based on its culture. For learners, playing with such phrases can enrich your conversational skills and make you sound more like a native speaker. Here are a few tips. Practice using it in different contexts to get comfortable with its nuances. Pair it with positive body language to amplify its effect. Listen for it in English media to understand its usage in real-life scenarios. We hope this video has rustled up some enthusiasm for learning more about the rich tapestry of the English language. Phrases like these not only enhance your vocabulary but also add color and emotion to your conversations. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, happy learning. Remember, the ability to inspire enthusiasm in others is a wonderful skill. And using phrases like rustle up enthusiasm can make that process even more enjoyable and effective.